In today's video, I show you how to install NATO strap on one of the most iconic watches in the world, the Casio F91W. Welcome to a watch from the future. Subscribe to the channel and don't miss more content like this. I bought the NATO strap on the Temu for about $2, but you can probably find similar ones on the other Chinese shopping sites. The strap is surprisingly good quality for the price, and the buckle and the keepers are made of the metal. Let's get started. Here's my watch repair kit, which I already reviewed in a separate video. For this job, we need a few tools. We need a hammer, pin pusher, watch band holder, spring bar tool, finger guard, and of course the watch itself. On every original Casio F91W strap there's an arrow indicating the direction in which the spring bar should be pushed out. Place the watch in the holder and gently tap the spring bar out using the hammer and the pin pusher. Repeat the same process on the other side of the strap. Next, take the spring bar. Carefully lift it with the spring bar tool, like this, and slide the NATO strap underneath. It's a tight fit, but it works. Then, use the finger guard to push the spring bar all the way in. Use the spring bar tool again to press it into its correct position and adjust it a bit with the other tip to secure it. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Finally, give the NATO strap a slight tug to make sure it's properly seated on the watch. And that's it. The Casio F91W is now on a NATO strap. Quick wrist check to finish. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments how you like the Casio F91W on the NATO strap. Subscribe to the channel and let's explore the past, present and future of watches together.